And we are down to our top 5 now. Number 5. The Nile has long been recognized as the longest river in the world, stretching a massive 6,695 kilometers. Now, some may argue that Amazon River in the South America is longer, but that's a discussion for another video. Ancient as well as modern Egyptian civilizations have been forming up near Nile basins, the primary source of water for the country. Nile flows through 11 countries in Africa, including Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Kenya, Ethiopia, Eritrea, South Sudan, Republic of Sudan, and Egypt, of course. Okay, number